take a look at this here. This is my double-ended carabiner. Now, give me a second and I'll get a really good close-up for you. So hopefully you can see that. Now this side here, the flat surface all around here is pretty good, it's pretty clean. Now we take a look at the other side and you can, I think you'd be able to see that there. You see all the scratches? They're all going this way, like sort of, so the scratch is going across that way, if that makes sense. So those scratches there on this carabiner are a good example of two things. One, a good example of how I managed to screw things up. I mean, I should have spotted it when the sheets were being sanded, cut, and then the tumbling and finish, we should check there. So even at this stage, still learning, and you know, there's nothing more expensive than a do-over. So not only have we invested the time to assemble these, now we've got to disassemble them and then fix them and assemble them again. So, you know, do-overs are, you know, I've heard it said that they're the most expensive cost in business, and it's really true. Not only do you lose the time of making the initial product that's now no use, you've got to undo it, fix it, and redo it. So that's 4 times as long as it should have taken, and not only that, you know, all that extra time and energy could have been spent in developing a new product, improving processes, things like that. So yeah, do-overs, like, it's the thing I'm trying to mitigate. Fortunately, it's not happened that often, but whenever it does, it's, oh man, it's a real pain. But lesson learned today, that's for sure. Maybe. Because not only have we lost the I keep looking down there, I don't know why.